ECIL Electronics Corporation of India Limited recruitment, different vacancies. The salary is around 25,000 per month. This is the official site, official notification. If you go to official site, this is the official notification. This notification is for the post of contract basis, for 2 years, which may be extendable to 4 years, including the initial term, depending upon the project requirements and the satisfactory performance of the students, to work under the customer support division project. So technical officer on contract, there are some vacancies. The maximum age criteria for technical officer on contract, one vacancy for different zones, Mumbai and Bengaluru. So 30 years is the maximum age criteria. 25,000 per month is the consolidated pay. And technical assistant on contract, there are 4 vacancies, 2 for unreserved, 1 for OBC, 1 for SC. And the maximum age criteria for technical assistant is 25 years, as well as scientific assistant is also 25 years, and the scientific assistant A on contract is also 25 years. So these are the different locations wherein the requirements are available for different streams. So 25 years is the consolidated age criteria. Consolidated pay is 20,670 rupees per month. Junior artisan on contract, 25 years is the maximum age criteria. 18,824 is the pay scale. So for the post of technical officer on contract, the qualification required is full-time first class degree, that is in either computer science or IT with minimum 60% of marks in aggregate, with 1 year of post qualification experience required. So in order to apply for the post of technical officer, you need to have a 1 year experience plus 60% of marks in computer science or IT. This is the stream. And this is category 1. For technical officer category 2, the requisite qualification is electronics and communication, or electrical and electronics, electronics and instrumentation with 60% of marks, and also you need to have 1 year post qualification experience. So this field of radiation instrumentation and control, these fields are also eligible to apply for the post of technical officer on contract in category 2. For category 3, the qualification required is electrical, electronics and instrumentation, and electronics and communication, communication and troubleshooting. So analog, these are all the allied branches of electronics. These are also the one who have pursued their career in electronics and allied branches are also eligible to apply, but you need to have 1 year post qualification experience. So this is regarding the different technical officer eligibility criteria, that is qualification and experience required. For a technical assistant, you need to have a diploma in electronics and communication, and also with 60% of aggregate marks from the respective board, or BSc full-time in mathematics or physics or computer or electronics with 60% of marks in aggregate. Or candidate must be able to communicate in English or Hindi language and willing to work in operation and maintenance of computer related centers on shift basis. So this is the requisite criteria. And for scientific assistant A on contract, the qualification required is diploma in electronics and engineering, or electronics and communication, or instrumentation engineering with 60% of marks in aggregate from the recognized university. So you need to have 1 year post qualification experience in order to apply for the post of scientific assistant A category 1. Category 1, the qualification required is electronics and allied branches, and category 2, the same is the case. So electronics and allied branches with 1 year post qualification experience in this field is required. A junior artisan on contract should have ITI, that is 2 years of trade in electronics or electrical or instrumentation with a minimum 1 year post qualification experience. So the maximum age criteria is 30 years for different for unreserved, and also relaxation for different categories as well. So to attend, this is a walk-in interview. How to attend walk-in interview? So you need to report to the specified center we'll be seeing within a couple of minutes. For SSC, these are all the proofs you need to ensure that you submit these photocopies, self-attested photocopies of SSC, identity proof if you have CGPA conversion from your university, if any, and documents in support of qualification like SSC, intermediate, ITI, diploma, BTech certificates along with a marks memo. So experience certificate from the previous employment, that is appointment order and recent pay slips. If you are working, a valid certificate with respect to persons, that is PWD. So you need to go to this location. See, for projects Mumbai and Kandla, this is zonal location, and the date to attend this walk-in is 25/2/2022. If you belong to this Chennai zone is 1/3/2022. This is a walk-in. You need to go to this particular location, that is venue, wherein your walk-in will be conducted, walk-in interview. So selection venue at respective zonal offices. This is in Mumbai and Bengaluru will be on 25/2/2022, and whereas Chennai 1/3/2022. So selection method is that candidates will be allowed only after the registration at the zonal office and successful document verification. The selection will be based on the personal interview. Selection will be based on the personal interview for the technical officer and on contract, and the written test and trade test for scientific assistant on contract. And also, so for technical officer purely interview based, and for scientific assistant the criteria is that written test as well as trade test. They will conduct scientific assistant, junior artisan and technical assistant. The criteria is selection methodology, written test followed by trade test. So this is regarding the number of vacancies. These are contract vacancies, and the notification regarding ECIL technical officer on contract as well as the different vacancies. If you are new to my channel, I request you all to see the playlist of latest job updates, so that you will have an advantage of what are the job updates in the past 1-2 weeks. Thank you. Have a great day.